Today, we will talk about global automotive manufacturing and its incredible evolution. I will show you this statistic using a bar chart race. Welcome to the epic journey of the industry from 1951 to 2025. In this video, we track how motor vehicle production shifted from a unipolar American monopoly into a fierce battle of continental giants. Watch eras of post-war rebuilding, oil shocks, automated assembly lines, and the electric revolution unfold. Place your bets, and let's begin. By the late 1950s, the unipolar rule of Detroit faces its first true challenge. Rebuilt from the ashes of World War II, West Germany, France, and Italy are experiencing industrial miracles. Driven by affordable, iconic mass-market cars like the Volkswagen Beetle and Fiat 500, Western Europe aggressively expands its global factory capacities. The 1973 and 1979 oil shocks completely alter the global leaderboard. As fuel prices skyrocket, American gas guzzlers lose appeal. This creates the perfect storm for Japan. Utilizing lean manufacturing and highly efficient compact cars, Japanese automakers conquer global trade, rapidly climbing to threaten the #1 spot. By the 1990s, heavy automation and robotics take over the assembly lines, boosting output numbers worldwide. Simultaneously, South Korea emerges as a major industrial player, driven by aggressive export strategies and state-backed manufacturing hubs like Hyundai and Kia, outperforming older European giants. A historic turning point happens right here. Following its entry into the World Trade Organization, China transforms into the world's ultimate industrial workshop. Massive supply chains, domestic market expansion, and joint ventures trigger exponential production growth, leaving old manufacturing superpowers far behind. the 2010s focus on global diversification and outsourcing. Traditional brands heavily shift production to low-cost regional powerhouses. Watch how secondary manufacturing hubs like Mexico, India, Thailand, and Eastern Europe rapidly scale up volumes, capitalizing on integrated global automotive trade networks. The early 2020s bring unprecedented industry disruption. Global microchip shortages and pandemic lockdowns cause massive nominal production drops across Western nations. However, this turbulence accelerates a massive structural shift towards software-defined electric vehicles and battery manufacturing lines. The marathon concludes in 2025 with an absolute Asian dominance. China cements its historic crown with an unprecedented 34.5 million vehicles produced, driven heavily by its massive EV boom. While established giants like the US and Japan focus on high-margin vehicles, emerging hubs continue to scale. Which country's rise surprised you most?